Hello. So I am Bhaskar Kumbhar and I have just finished one application. I just developed it and I deployed on the Streamlit application. It's about the Q&A chatbot. It's like a Bhaskar GPT, So I have my own GPT now. Basically, this is a very simple application. I basically used a Llama model over here with Grok API, and it has like 70 billion parameters. So I use that one. You can just ask any kind of questions that you have in your mind, and the uh, you'll get your answers over here very easily. So first of all, we'll just start with asking some basic questions. Let's ask what is generative AI. Now I need to know about generative AI. Let me ask this to my model, and it will give you the answer properly over here in like within a fraction of seconds. So you'll get all the things over here. Uh, Now let me ask more difficult question. Let's say if I'm solving data structures and algorithms, so if I want to ask my model that how I am going to solve the binary search. So tell me about binary search and then give me the code in both Python and Java. Let's say because I'm fan of I love Python a lot, but I really like to do data structures in Java. So I want code in both the languages. Okay, so just give me the answer for that. So the model will over here, you'll get some explanation over here, and then you are going to get the codes. This is the Python code you have. This is the Java code that you have. So it's very nice. Now let me ask some different question other than academics. Maybe if I want to know what food has like high amount of protein, let's ask that question. Oh, okay, so uh, the model has given me the answer. Maybe if I'm a Spanish speaker, so I'm just gonna say that give me this answer in Spanish. Let's say. Hmm, I'm getting the answer over here. Okay. Now, let me ask one more question in Spanish. Okay. Hmm. So I don't know the Spanish, but I know some phrases, so I'm just going to ask such questions. So yeah, it does talk in Spanish. Uh, Maybe now another question I can ask is like, suppose if I want to create a daily schedule. Okay. So let's ask that question. Hmm. So I got the schedule over here, like what I can do and all that. So yeah, you can basically ask any kind of questions that you want. Over here, it's temperature and the maximum tokens and all that. So if you increase the temperature, it's gonna be more creative. If you just decrease the temperature, it's not going to be much creative. So yeah, it's basically all that. So basically, this application works well with any kind of prompts that you have because it's trained on 70 billion parameters and it is trained by the Llama 3. So basically, I just use the Llama 3 model in order to make these applications. And you can also go ahead and check out by yourself. I'm going to give the link as well in the description. Uh, so you can just go ahead and write Q&A by Bhaskar.streamlit.app. I'm just gonna put the link as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video.